In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Under File, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the exe and select yes option. Need to start the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys the cheat is working, I'm gonna turn on the set game speed and get back to the game. As you can see, the game speed has increased 2.5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.